When it comes to making caramels or candy, a candy thermometer is a make it or break it, whether you have success or failure. And making sure you've got the correct one is essential. I took the plunge, went on Amazon, and found a new thermometer. I'm going to review that today, and I'll let you see whether this candy thermometer holds up to the test and something that you should buy or not. Let's go look at that and give it a review. The thermometer I decided to go with was a ThermoPro. The model number is TP511. Ordered it and it was here in just a few days. So let's open this box and see all the things that it contains. So on the back of the box, it says its features are: the temperature range is 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ample amount for doing candies or caramels. Ultra clear backlit LCD display, Celsius Fahrenheit selector, auto shutoff to conserve battery. It has a pot clip, which to me is really important when making candy or caramels. It's waterproof, it has calibration function, and a preset temperature. Inside this package, we have one food thermometer, one clip, one AAA battery, and one manual. It also offers a lifetime customer service. Feedback is based on design, so you can let them know. Leading thermometer brand, and it has a community that's more than just a product. So you can view the temperature readings no matter the light conditions in your environment. Easy to read, quick temperature references are conveniently placed at the thermometer, eliminating the need to look up temperatures. And there is their customer service and email. Okay, let's open this box. Okay. On first inspection there, that is a heavy-duty clip. See how easily it slides on. Well, it's got a nice little protection on the bottom there. Remove the cover there. And oh, it tells you the little temperatures on the back there. We're going to crack this open. Oh. And put in our AAA battery. Oh, that's wrapped in plastic. And immediately it has begun working. So let's put that down for a second. There's a customer support card in there for numbers you can call depending on where you are in the world. Pretty impressive. It's all different locations there. And there's your ThermoPro manual. Okay, you have your Fahrenheit Celsius button, which is right here. Press it once to turn it on or off. For turning on the device, press it once to switch the temperature between Fahrenheit and Celsius. And then press to hold it for 3 seconds to turn off the device. Backlit button, touch, turn the on and off. There's your backlit button. light button up here on the top. There you go. See it turned on there. Turn on and off. There you go. Set button. Press to confirm the set temperature that you want it to go to, and then you press the button for 5 seconds to enter the calibration. Press up or down to adjust its set temperature mode, and the down button do the same. Before first use, insert the battery, read the instructions, how to measure temperature. Press your Fahrenheit Celsius button on the thermometer. Press again to select the temperature you want displayed. Okay, so for my candy, well, you want it to be 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Insert the tip of the probe into the food you're going to measure, then the thermometer will begin to measure it. Touch the light button and the backlit necessary. Wait until its reading displays. Hold that for 3 seconds to turn off the thermometer. Device will automatically turn off after 2 hours if no button has been pressed and the temperature has been lower than 50 degrees Celsius. How to adjust the temperature. The default set temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. Okay, the thermometer comes with a calibration feature. In most cases, the thermometer was calibrated precisely at our manufacturing facility, and generally you do not need to calibrate the thermometer. However, if you believe the thermometer reading is not accurate, after a long period of use, you may follow the process to recalibrate. Make ice cubes, get the thermal insulated bottle, can fill with ice cubes, then top off with cold distilled water, stir and let sit. Allow the ice and water to reach 0. You can use mercury thermometer to check the temperature reaches 0. Turn on the thermometer to hold set button for 5 seconds. Immerse the probe into that to undo the calibration. If you undo the calibration, go back to the default. Please turn the thermometer. Measuring multiple or different food meats, it may be desirable to cool the probe by rinsing the tip with cold water between readings. Recommend that you wipe the probe clean between readings and do not use an oven. Do not leave inserted in extremely hot foods or liquids, anything over 572 degrees Fahrenheit for more than 1 minute. Okay, let's go see how this works in real life. Here's some handy care of your thermometer tips. Do not touch the stainless steel portion of the thermometer during or right after measuring temperatures, since it will be hot. Do not leave exposed to extreme high or low temperatures, as this will damage electronic parts and plastics. Do not place the unit in dishwasher or immerse in any liquid. To clean, wipe the probe tip with a damp soapy cloth or sponge and then dry. Do not leave the thermometer inserted into food during cooking. Remove the battery if stored for more than 4 months. Now we're deep into making the caramel recipe. You can see the digital thermometer display from far away as it's constantly fluctuating between the different degrees there. I'm going to turn on the backlight so you can see it a little bit clearer. And just watch how the temperatures are adjusting ever so slightly. Yes, I do leave it in here while I'm stirring the caramels because I want to watch it that closely while I'm cooking. This was a great success. This thermometer passed the test. It was great. It was amazing how accurate it was and precise. So I was able to pull it off just a few seconds earlier because I know my cast iron pot contains the heat, and it poured out perfectly. Those caramels turned out great this time. Now, I have tried many different thermometers. This, I don't know if you can see it. This is my original candy thermometer that I've had for the past 15 years, and I've loved it. But this year it failed on me, and I knew that something was wrong by watching my caramels. I figured I knew it was wrong. Something was wrong, and it failed. And that sucks when you have a beautiful pan of caramels and they all get ruined. Oh no. Dang it. Cooked it too long. Nope, doesn't sound soft and chewy, does it? Dang it. I thought my whatchamacallit wasn't working. Great. So I immediately went to the store and bought this thermometer, thinking it was great. It said it was a candy thermometer and nice big numbers. I love that it had a clip on the side of it, and so I was pretty excited about using that one. I also went and bought this thermometer, which is also a candy thermometer. Both about $15 in price in Canadian funds. And so I didn't spend a lot, but I thought I'd luck out. Well, I had all 3 of these going in my pot the next time I made caramels, and all of them showed a different temperature. This one, which I knew wasn't working, definitely was off. This one actually didn't show the correct temperature either. And I was pretty content with this one until I dropped it in the caramel. Nothing hurts worse than diving in to grab something out of hot, boiling caramel at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, shit. Lynn. Nope, it's fine. I just ruined the thermometer. Electronic one.
What did you do? Did you drop it?
Yep. So, no clip. And this clip isn't gonna fit on this one either. Did I buy this for the clip? No, I bought it for its precision because I wanted a digital thermometer that was going to work great. And it is lovely. So you can adjust the head like that, depending on where you want to have it on the side of your pot. To move this up and down, all you do is pinch that and it slides nicely up and down. But once it's in place, this does not move on your pot. So make sure you've got it placed correctly before you're dealing with a hot pot or hot caramels or candies. This clip is lovely and big. And once it's snapped into place on the side of the pot, this did not move from its position. So it was about $34 Canadian on Amazon, and I love it. I'm excited to use it again. I have a whole bunch of caramels to make this winter, as that is my Christmas gift I hand out to friends and neighbors. So I'm going to be putting this to good use this Christmas season. If you enjoyed watching my video and review, you might also enjoy a recipe where I share my classic caramel recipe with you. So just click on that video next and you can watch how I make caramels, and you can learn some tricks on how you can have successful caramel making as well, starting with a good thermometer. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. Also, I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. I enjoy doing these reviews and also posting recipes. This is something that I love and enjoy, and I'm so happy I get to share it with you. Thanks for all of you who have been along with me on this journey. You guys make it worth it. I love the community that we're building and getting to grow together. Hope you have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Nope.
You do swear. I'd like to point out this.
No, I just swore on camera again. So.
Don't put that in that video. Just say that the electronic one broke when you're reading it, that it died or something.